going to test the Tangle cutter on the Extravis.
All right, so Wyatt has the Extravis V5 here, and it comes with a lot of really unique features. It comes with a cat laser so that it can play with your cats while you're gone. It comes with an oil diffuser for aromatherapy, but one of the best features is that it comes with a Tangle cutting brush so that all of the hair gets cut and then sucked up into the vacuum so it does not get caught in the rolling brush. So let me see the rolling brush with all the hair. So that's what the old brush looks like. And then let's see the new brush. So this one actually has a little cutting tool in there, so it will cut all of the hair before it gets into the vacuum. All right, you ready to test it out?
Yeah.
All right, let's go. So these are some of the different types of rolling brushes from older robot vacuums. Here you have the dual brush. One has bristles and one is just rubber, and a lot of hair gets stuck in the bristled one. And then with this one, you have two rolling rubber brushes. And then with this one, you have the one that has the bristles, but it's also rubber. So all three of these get a lot of hair stuck in them. So Wyatt has some hair here. We're gonna put it on the ground and we're gonna see how well this Tangle cutter does.
Yeah.
All right, are you ready?
Uh-huh.
All right, let's let it clean. All right, I think it picked up all the hair.
Yeah.
All right, let's check it out. Let's see how it did.
It did it!
All right, so there is no hair in the brush. Just a couple. All right, so let's check the dustbin.
Dustbin not installed. Dustbin not installed.
Let's see.
You know how to open it up?
Oh, yeah. Right. This.
Is it full of hair? All right, look at that. It did really well.
Uh-huh.
Well, there you go.
Now we can go outside.
Tangle cutter on the Extravis. Good job.